In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Genshin Impact with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Genshin is primarily a single-player game. However, it features optional co-op. You will be able to play it on co-op, but there are some limitations, and first you will actually have to unlock it. So if you only recently started playing, you will have to get your adventure rank or AR up to 16. So the first requirement is that you keep playing until you reach AR 16. Once you do, you will get a notification telling you that co-op is now accessible. Like I said, co-op is optional, and because of this, it isn't really focused on. Once you unlock co-op and you open the Paimon menu, you will see this option here, co-op mode. If you have a specific friend that you want to play with, you can also go over to the Friends tab and send them a friend request from here. They will be able to accept, and once both of you are connected, it is going to make it easier to join each other. If you just want to play with random people, go into co-op mode and you will be able to find everyone here. So you will see joinable worlds, and most of these you will have to send a request, the owner will accept, and then you can join the world. When you join a world, you will be able to gather materials, minerals, anything that is available, and you can do some domains together. However, you won't be able to do the main story quests, for example, while being in co-op. There are some limitations, and overall, while it is fun to do, it's not going to be the focus of the game. Some events are also going to feature co-op modes. So you can make it so no one can ask you to join your world. Just make sure that you reject join requests. You can allow direct joining, where people will be able to join your world without your approval, or you can set it to the default, which is join after approval. You will get a notification, and you can accept that notification if you want that person to join your world. And like I said previously, if you have friends that you want to play with, just go over to the Friends tab, click on the second menu over here, and you will be able to send out friend requests. Once they appear on this list, just click on the green check mark to accept them, and you will be able to send a request to join the worlds once they are online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Genshin Impact with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.